Mackie, should we go to the beach? Do you want to go to the beach and play in the water? Should we go to the beach? Running away from Dad, trying to put the collar on.
Buddy.
Mackie, you can't run away. There you go. Good boy. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Haley. This is Rob. This is Mackie. This is Mackie. Mackie. Mac, come here. That's Mackie. And this is Rob and Haley, and this video we are taking our dog to the beach for the first time this quote-unquote summer season. It's not summer yet, it's March, but it was really warm yesterday. Today it is not so warm, but we had already decided to go to the beach, so we're gonna go anyway. It's gonna be like in the 50s and cloudy at the beach, but we wanted to take him. We want to run some energy out of him. We're gonna give him a bath today, so we figured it'd be good to, he can get all dirty.
And we want to get him used to being off the leash.
Yes, we are trying to teach him to be off leash. He has only done it like in our yard and then obviously at the dog park, but it's fenced in there. Last time we took him off leash at the beach, once, Rob decided to take him off leash and he took off. He like sprinted off.
He said bye-bye.
Yeah, so, but he had never been to the dog park then. He was a lot younger. He just turned 1 year old. This is the end of his birthday weekend. And so we figured, let's try it again, see how it goes. So yeah. We're gonna take you guys along because he is so cute and it's so much fun. Hi! If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and hit that big red subscribe button. If you're not already a part of our YouTube family, we'd love to have you. We have tons of fun dog, puppy content. So if you think he's adorable, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another video. Oh! He was trying to paw at me and he fell, buddy. We're gonna head to Starbucks, get a quick Starbucks on our way to the beach. We have to get gas because Rob left my car on empty.
It's your car.
But you drove it a bunch yesterday.
Oh, that's true, actually. That's actually fair.
And then we're gonna head to the beach. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and yeah.
I've been all around the world.
Do you know where we are? I don't know. Are we at the beach? Do you know where we are, buddy? Alright, Matt.
You were only like a friend, till we met the other day. Didn't want the night to end, and now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. You're stuck inside my mind, deep inside my mind. I think that now's the time.
Yeah, they're at the bottom.
Like this?
Yeah. What you doing?
Why would you put the thing we're gonna use first?
Well, we're not taking him off the leash at first. Let's get him in the water first.
Yeah, we still want to have access to him. I don't want to be doing this. It's over there. Like, you're right here, idiot.
Oh. Shut up.
I'm counting hours, minutes, seconds, fast faster, hurry, make it happen. Before we knew it, I'll be on my way home. Yeah, we're chillin', I just, you and I. Every crazy summer night, baby, I am coming home. I'm coming home. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun. It's spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We don't ever need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Someday we will look back and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Oh yeah, oh yeah. This summer night, this summer night. Oh, this summer night.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't wanna be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. 'Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
Yeah, actually. Yep. Good boy, Mackie.
I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know when I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know
Mackie,
I
come here,
have
water
to be
time.
somewhere else
No, don't lick that
to
water.
be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm
You want a
gonna
little more?
start
You done?
over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now.
Okay.
I'm on my way now.
Yeah.
I'm on my way now.
He's like, I just get a lot of exercise out here. A little bit more for you.
Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future. Future like it burns. So give him something worse to kill his head with. Make it forget somehow. Might be right another day. She would've wished he stayed, but they're done. Sorry's won't be enough this time. Yeah, he's calling all his friends to get some action. Distracted right now. He's fine. Got Lucy on the line. Let's get this started. Push the party tonight. I feel good. Nothing weighs me down. I can't believe my luck right now. Red eyes while we say, don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart. It's a little kickstart. 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Ooh, you need to talk to be the vent is busy. Gotta feel free sometimes, right? What doesn't make you will only make you stronger if you believe what they say. Might be not another day. She would've wished to stay, but they're done. Red eyes while we shine. Don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart. It needs a little kickstart. 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some?
You can breathe now.
Mackie, did you have a good time? You did so good off the leash. You did so good, Mackie boy. Okay, little dude did amazing at the beach off leash. We were so nervous to do it, obviously, because it's the first time, and he did so well. He still doesn't have the best recall. We still have
It wasn't the first time. It was the first time he didn't run away.
Yeah, because the first time he just sprinted off. But he was also a puppy then. He had never been to the dog park, so he had never been off leash outside. Like, he'd only ever been off leash, like, in our house. So he's right here. He's all wet. He played in the water a ton. He's gotten a lot more used to the water. The first time we took him to the beach, I actually have a video of it, and I'll link it up either here or here. I think it's up here. So you guys can watch when the first time we went to a beach, he was not so sure about the water, and he's grown to love it. And today he was literally running in it himself, bouncing around. Like, he loved it. He did really well. He doesn't have the best recall, so if we called him to us, he would sometimes come, but not always. But he did do a good job of like checking in with us, and he really didn't like ever get too far from us, did he?
A couple times he got a little far. But
Okay.
He'll only go far if there's something that he wants to see.
Right. But overall, he did really well. There were like a good amount of dogs. There weren't too many dogs that he was like overwhelmed, but there weren't so few dogs that he got distracted and like wanted to see other things. So it was good because he was playing with other dogs who are good off the leash and would like go fetch a ball and bring it back, so he would chase them. He
got a lot of running.
Yeah. He did, I think, the most running he's ever done. So he's gonna be pooped. He's soaking wet and dirty. The tide was super, super low. So like all of the sand leading up to the water was just completely like muddy. So he's really dirty. So he's gonna get a bath when we get home. Hey, Mac. But he had a blast and he did so well, and he did not run away. I was not sure how that was gonna go, but he did really well, and we're just gonna keep coming back so he gets used to it.
It's scary, but at least we have his GPS collar, so that's all that matters.
We do. We have a Fi GPS collar, and it's really, really good because we have it like linked on our phone. So if he got far, first of all, if he got far away from us and we didn't notice, it would give us a notification on our phone. But if he were to like run away, we could pull it up on our phone and we can actually activate it as lost. And I think a light comes on, right? So anyway, we really like the Fi collar because it like makes us feel a lot better about it.
Are we sponsored?
No, not yet, but I did reach out to them, and hopefully we're gonna be collaborating with them and we'll have like a discount code for you guys. We're just waiting to hear back, so hopefully. This was Mackie's first time off leash at the dog park. We were so nervous. Dog beach.
You said dog park?
I did. This was Mackie's first time off leash at the dog beach. We were really nervous. I think the fact that he's been to the dog park a ton, one of the dog parks we go to has a really large area and it's sandy like the beach, so he's used to like running there but then coming back to us. So I think that that helped a lot. But if you are like nervous to take your dog off leash, I would say take them to dog parks, get them used to that, work on recall, and then you just have to trust them. Don't show them that you're afraid, and get the Fi collar so that you're not like, you can track them if they run off. Oh, there he is. Hi, Mackie. He's so tired. We're going to pick up some tacos. I'm going to take his harness off so he can just like sleep the whole way home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up for this little dude and how proud we are of him for being off leash and not running away. Don't forget to subscribe to join our YouTube family. We'd love to have you a part of it. And if you love Mackie content, you gotta subscribe because we have tons of videos of him and more coming up. Let us know down in the comments below what types of videos of him you wanna see. We've had a lot of requests for food review videos, so that's definitely something we're gonna be doing. He's such a cutie, so if you think he's adorable and wanna see more videos of him, hit that red subscribe button, join our YouTube family, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Say bye, Mackie. Mackie. Oh, look at how wet.